somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found this tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm Terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y con el cinturón de seguridad
Pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor.
Up on the yellow tab, thank you. Awesome, thank you. First, take the sliding ease into automatic cross that line. Watch your feet. A couple reminders, as you may have noticed, our creatures are loose, so as to why you're still here, I don't know, but I get paid either way. A couple reminders, please don't use any flash photography, it only makes them angry. And make sure to hold on to all of your loose belongings. That includes hats, glasses, bags, sound streams, loved ones, anything else you want to keep. Good luck. Bye.
If you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.
Please gather your precious belongings.